Thomas F. Anglero er innovasjonsdirektør i IBM og er blant årets Atea Community foredragsholdere. Han snakker om IBM Watson og hvordan kunstig intelligens og kognitiv teknologi endrer måten vi tar beslutninger på. Welcome, Thomas.
Thank you.
So, tell me, what exactly is IBM Watson?
Well, Watson software, right? It's not a robot. Don't ask many robot questions, right? So it's just the software that goes into a robot. It gives it intelligence for a robot. Watson is software that IBM has been working on for about 5 years. And we took our software engineers who said simulate the human brain in software. We took our hardware guys who make the world's fastest computer. We married them together and we came up with this artificial intelligence, or what we call cognitive computing. And the reason why we call it cognitive is because it connects the dots. Today you got all this data laying all over your company. You have data created by people like you who are on social media and stuff like that. What happens if we connect all that data together? What insight can I learn about my company? Can I learn about you, about my customers? And with all that information together, can I start predicting what's going to happen tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow? What is my customer going to do tomorrow? Watson does all that.
So that's, you're kind of saying it already, but what opportunities can Watson give businesses today?
One, you can find out what business you're really in. Should you stay in that business? Should you be in a new business? The one example I like that we find out the most is, have you been leaving money on the table? That expression means, you know, there's been money you should have been making right then and there, right in front of you, but you never saw it, that opportunity. That happens a lot in Watson projects, right? A lot of money's been left on the table. So Watson gives you opportunities for today, makes you look back and go, the Norwegian F word, and you know, and it also allows you to predict tomorrow, so that you could, if you want to make money or you want to make your customers happy or where my customers are going to be. We work with the police and we're able to predict crime before it happens. So in that sense, we actually help society and makes neighborhoods safer. So Watson can be used in different segments all over the place. Yeah.
Really cool, actually.
Yeah, it's exciting.
Yeah. But have you met people who are skeptical about Watson? Kind of afraid of losing their jobs and stuff?
Yeah. So that's the whole robot question thing, right? So robots or software, really, robots are just a bunch of software together. Software and human beings, we've been integrated. I mean, you have an iPhone, you've had software in your pocket for a long time. Apple has Siri, right? And I think Siri's quite nice, where you can talk to Siri, what's the weather in Stavanger? It'll tell you the weather. Well, what you and I and all of us have been using this software so long, so we're not going to lose it. Software like Watson enhances our tomorrow. It allows you to ask Watson, I'm looking at everything. What do you think, Watson? Watson gives you an answer. You listen to the answer, you go, that's interesting. Then you think for a second, and then you ask Watson another question. I call it iterations of innovation. What will happen is Watson's going to make you smarter. Watson's going to be able to make you do things that you never did before, because you have this ultimate consultant to all information available to you 24 hours a day. So why would you lose your job? If anything, you're going to have a better job. Maybe you have your own company or 10 companies. See, Watson gives power back to us.
And see it as a new opportunity actually for us as well.
It's a huge opportunity.
Yeah.
Huge opportunity. Absolutely.
Cool. Thank you so much that you could be here today, and good luck with the rest of the lectures.
Thank you.